Elizabethtown Kidley on the yellow. Looks like Brampton's off with a jump. After the last race there, let's see how this pulls off. Looks like Brampton's onto the rope pull first. Out in front here, up and over the railing. Here it goes. Little miscue in the basket. Cost him about half a step. Still got Brampton out in front. Here they come down the tower. Elizabethtown right behind them. Here's the handoff. Onto the force machine. Here's the handoff. Young Chad. Let's hear it on the way by from Brampton. Here comes Elizabethtown right behind them.
Come on, Drew!
Onto the target. Here's the handoff for Rescue Randy. Brampton still out in front.
Come on, Sean!
There are no penalty flags that I can see.
Come on, Romanek, let's go! Come on, boys!
Brampton cruising on here. A good race. Give it up for both teams.